If you're a small YouTuber and you do small YouTuber support, stop. It's hurting your channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Alright guys, so as my intro says, we're going to be talking about small YouTuber support. And I'm not just talking about, you know, things I just looked at on the internet. I'm talking from experience. So if you're a small YouTuber and you normally do small YouTuber support, you need to stop. And I'll be giving you guys, I think it's 5 reasons. Yes, I have my reasons here that I wrote down. So it's 5 reasons that these don't work. Now, I am one that actually does or did small YouTuber support, so I know what I'm talking about, right? I'm talking from my experience. So if it worked for you, I don't know how, but kudos to you. Without further ado, let us get into this video. Alright, so the first reason why I think small YouTuber support don't work, it's just like sub for sub. And everybody knows what sub for sub mean. It means that you go on somebody's channel and you say, you subscribe to them and you say, hi, I'm a new subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to me. So you know, so you're basically asking them to subscribe to you because you have subscribed to them. That's basically what small YouTuber support is. The only difference is that you're not writing sub for sub. Basically, you're going on somebody's channel, you're going on a small YouTuber's channel, right? So there are lots of videos like these that, you know, if you're a small YouTuber, you can just go in YouTube and you type in small YouTuber support, and basically you'll see a lot of videos come on, and you click on one of those videos, and basically what you do is go down into the comments and you write, oh, I'm a small YouTuber and I will support genuinely, and if you support, you know, basically you're telling them, if you support me, I'll support you. That's basically what I think it is, because I tried it once, right? I used to try it and I said to myself, oh, people are growing from small YouTube support because they're saying it's different from sub for sub. But guys, this is how I know it's the same thing, right? If what I realize when I do small YouTuber support, it's basically I go in somebody's comments and I subscribe to their channel. I say I will generally support you, and then a lot of persons will comment under my comment and say, you know, I'm also a YouTuber, I'm gonna support you if you support me genuinely. And basically I will go over to their channel, because what I do, I don't sub for sub. I hate that. I really hate it, because what I think is, you see, if I give you the subscribers, that's just that, and then YouTube is going to take that back. So what I do, I will go over and I look at your channel, and you know, I subscribe and I at least watch your videos, and I'm going to comment on your videos. But then what I realize people do, like if I do that to their channel, they go back under the same video that they found my channel, and they say under it that, oh, I subscribe to your channel. They didn't even say let them go and watch one of my videos and subscribe on one of my videos. Yet that's how I know that they're just sub for subbing. So that's how I know that subscribe small YouTuber support, it doesn't work. So that's one of the reasons why it doesn't work, because basically they're doing it for sub for sub. It's just a different word for sub for sub. The next reason is you can get banned for this. So YouTube will recognize that you are doing sub for sub, and this can go against YouTube policy. Well, this goes against YouTube policy. The third reason is that views, your view count. If you do sub for sub, basically if you do small YouTuber support, you're basically asking people to subscribe to your channel. Yes, say they go and they watch one of your videos and subscribe, comment under it, good, that is fine. They give you a view for one video, they give you a comment for one video, and they also give you an extra subscriber. But when you put up another video like the next week, are they going to be watching that video? Are they going to be subscribed? Are they going to be commenting? Probably not. Some of them just do it for one video and that's it. You see, when I do small YouTuber support, whichever channel I say I'm supporting, I go and I watch their video, I subscribe, and I make sure that whenever I see them post another video, I am going to watch it. There are a lot of persons that I'm now subscribed to, Natural Nini, and there's more. I can't remember their name officially. Kiara, I think she still watches my channel, and that's what you call small YouTuber support. You get myself? You watch each other's videos, make sure that each time they're putting out a content, you're actually watching it. You get myself? Because in the end, if for the video that you do this small YouTuber support on, or you ask them to go and check out that video and they subscribe and they watch that video, that video could get 1 million views, right? But then when it comes to the next video only has 24 views. Like, YouTube is gonna know something is up, basically, because if all your videos after that just down at 10, 5, 6, 25, and it now past 100, you get me? I say YouTube probably will find out that, okay, let's see what's going on with this video. And if they go down and they realize that this was a sub for sub, or this was a small YouTuber support thingy, they might ban your channel. So don't do it. And then the next thing is watch time. So yes, you're getting the subscribers, but are you getting the watch time? How many of those small YouTubers that are working with you are going to give you watch time? So they give you watch time like about a minute, because basically I think YouTube just wants them to watch like at least a minute of your video to subscribe, for that subscriber to count. So if I watch a minute of your video and subscribe, and I don't watch any other one, right, and I don't watch any more of that video, basically that's gonna hurt your channel, because me going on, clicking on and watching a minute and then subscribe and then come off, YouTube is gonna say, okay, her content is not good, let's not recommend that content, right? So that's basically why I think, you know, because you probably have 1,000 views, right? Sorry, let's say for instance you get 1,000 views on a video, right? But then when you go on the audience retention, you realize that basically after a minute of that video, everybody click off. You're not going to gain any more views, just the views that you got from those small YouTubers, because all they're doing is just watching a minute and then they click off. So basically your video will not be on the recommendation page. You get me? I say? So that's basically gonna hurt your channel, and you're not gonna get the watch time, so you might not even end up reaching your threshold of 4,000 watch hours to even get monetized anyways. So you'll be left with 1,000 subscribers who are not watching your videos and no watch time. So basically I think, yeah, it does hurt your channel, and you guys need to really think about what you're doing. And then the last thing I have here is, if you get your subscribers and watch time and get monetized, and then you're not getting the watch time after that, then it will not mean anything, because afterwards you actually need people to keep on watching your videos and watch your ads so you can actually make money from that. So if you don't have that, then it really doesn't even make sense that you had done this before, because nobody's actually going to be watching your content, so you wouldn't even be earning anything from your videos. So yeah, those are my tips on why, or those are my reasons why I think small YouTuber support does not work. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other reason. Let me know if it has worked for you, and you know, just I don't know, but for me it doesn't work. I don't know, for me I just don't see it working, and I think I've reached my point of saying okay, because I have tried quite a few small YouTuber support, so that's why I know that this happens. I know what happens when you do small YouTuber support, so that is why I tell you guys don't do it. What I feel like for small YouTuber support to work, and it's what I actually genuinely do, is if I go on a small YouTuber support channel video, if I go on a small YouTuber support video, and what I do, I go down into the comments and I normally look at the comments that they say, all right, support me and I'll support you. I'll go down and I will go to their channel and I see what content they make. If their content is similar to mine, that's how I actually meet a lot of my YouTube friends, because what I do, I just go down and I look at their content. If their content is like similar to mine, if they're doing lifestyle videos, if they're doing challenges, I will subscribe to their channel and then go on one of their videos and tell them, okay, hi, I'm a new subscriber and I also have a channel. Hopefully we can support each other. But if they don't subscribe to me, I'm not gonna go and unsubscribe. So that is what I mean, guys, because I will genuinely like their content, so I will continue watching their content. So that's what I think the small YouTuber support is supposed to be. It's not supposed to be you saying, all right, if you don't subscribe to me, I'm gonna go and unsubscribe to you. That is not what it's supposed to be. If you're supporting, genuinely support. Don't support just because they're supporting you. Get what I'm saying? But yes, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got at least some tips if you're a small YouTuber or something. So thank you for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below, share with your friends so that those who are also small YouTubers will be able to see this and that they will learn from it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you are notified every time I make a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.